Happy week 2, class. I just wanted to congratulate you all. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but over here, there were 102 messages in the first week's discussion. That is outstanding. It's a great place to post some math, learn some math, collaborate with others. That's how you learn math. Math is not an individual thing, contrary to what every one of your high school teachers taught you. Math is a collaborative effort, and yay for all the posts you did this week. Just a quick reminder that there needs to be 3 posts. Some of you got 2 posts, but then forgot to respond to one of your peers' messages. The other thing is, remember, we need to get them done before Sunday night at 11:58 or 11:55. You know who you are. But that's okay too. Sometimes we forget. I forget all the time. I'm old. I forget my name sometimes. Anyway, so great job. Let's see if we can beat our 102 messages this week. See if we can get some more messages on the board. Go in. Look at people's posts. Ask them questions. Ask them why their answer is the way it was. Don't be afraid to connect with the people and work with them to learn mathematics. The other thing is, remember that we have the MyLab assignments, which are different than the discussion posts. Oh, by the way, I did post in the resources in week 2. There we go. There's the discussion problems for week 2 that you chose. Hey, and also another quick shout out to one of our students saw that the problem that they posted had already been posted, and they were super professional and just posted another. That's awesome. So remember, as you go into post your problems, make sure to look through the problems first. If the one you thought you were going to post is already there, it's cool. There's a bajillion other problems. And remember, my opinion is that there are no bad mistakes, okay? It's okay to be wrong in math just as long as you learn from it. So post a problem that might look hard. Even if you're wrong, you're going to learn something because we're all going to post to help you out. And this is a very supportive environment. It's kind of like what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. What happens in Math 113 stays in 113. We're just here to help each other get through this. I know a lot of you, you're getting towards the end of your program and you just want to be done. I can understand that completely. So back to the homework. Make sure that in addition to the discussion problems, you're doing the homework on MyLab. Okay, you guys have a great week number 2. Today's Memorial Day. Enjoy yourself, relax, have a cold beverage, and I will be seeing you later. By the way, remember, if you have a question or concern, remember that the Remind app is the quickest way to get to Dr. Winsor. Some of you have used the Remind app, and I've been able to respond to you right away, and hopefully that was helpful. All right, have a great day. Catch you on the flip-flop.